plus carbon dioxide CO2. This reaction is called as dash reaction. Yes, this reaction is called dash reaction. What is it? Which type of this reaction is? Come on fast. Answer will be decomposition reaction. Those who don't have you can note down this question fast. Then it will be very easy to. Just who joined here? Atharva? Wait 1 minute. Oh, let it be. Come on now. Let's see. Second type of question. What happened to it? One more reaction, see. In the same one, silver nitrate AgNO3 plus sodium chloride gives silver chloride AgCl plus dash. You can write the reaction and tell me the product. Write the reaction AgNO3 plus NaCl, put arrow, write the product AgCl plus dash. Om, come on screen. Om, come on screen. Who will give the answer? Silver nitrate plus sodium chloride. Products are silver chloride and dash. Come on fast. No, write the reaction, you will get the product. After AgClC, what remains in the reactant? Sodium nitrate, very good. NaNO3. NaNO3. Who is this entering in the room? No name, nothing is there. View. Kadam Prithviraj. Come on fast. Next now. Second see now. Iron plus copper sulfate gives ferrous sulfate and dash. Iron plus copper sulfate gives iron sulfate FeSO4 plus dash. Fe plus CuSO4 gives FeSO4 plus dash. Yes. Roughly you can write the reaction and tell me the product. Come on. After FeSO4, see only one element remains. Tell the name. Fe plus CuSO4. If SuSO4 come together and make one compound, what will remain? Come on. You will got within 1 second your answer must be there. In CuSO4, SO4 gone. Combined with Fe. What remains? Yes. What will remain? Write the reaction, you will get answer very fast. Fe plus CuSO4. Put arrow and write FeSO4 plus dash. Only one single element remains. Tell the name. Copper, Cu. For the simple reaction, if you require 2-3 minutes, how you can solve the other questions? Second, see now. When acid and alkali react together, dash and dash is formed. When acid and alkalis react together, dash and dash will form. Which are the two products? Reaction between acid and alkalis. Come on. Simple reaction. Alkali means base. When acid react with base, what you will get? Salt and water. Salt and water. Only one word has been changed. Instead of base, they use the word alkali. Instead of base, what they use? Alkali. Reaction is same. Whenever the reaction between acid and base has been take place, we get two types of products, salt and water. This type of reaction is called as which type? Type of this reaction, acid and base, gives the salt and water. Which type of reaction is this? Yes?
Displacement.
Neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Reaction between acid and salt, acid and your base. It gives two type of product, salt and water. This reaction is called as neutralization reaction. Second, see the chemical reaction during which hydrogen is lost is called as dash. Hydrogen lost. Come on. Loss of hydrogen in the reaction. Come on. Yes. Either it is oxidation or reduction.
Reduction.
See carefully. Open the books. See the reaction of oxidation. Your books are in your hand. Loss of hydrogen. See the oxidation reaction. What definition is given? At least read definition, you will get an idea. Yes? Read the definition of oxidation. Who will read? Definition of oxygen. Yes, Alok, read the definition from the textbook. Alok, read the reaction from textbook. ऑक्सिडेशनचे डेफिनेशन वाच. पुस्तकात बघून वाच, न बघता नको. पुस्तकात बघून वाच. बाहेर म्हणजे कुठे फिरायला गेलास? बाहेर म्हणजे कुठे नक्की?
सर पाहुण्यांच्या घरी आलो.
पुस्तक हातात नाही, काय नाही, आपला अडकोला कानाला बसला पुढे. काय करणार रे तुला? यस. Sujal Satelkar, read the definition. Are you ready to read? Yes? Can you read the definition of oxidation? Yes. Are you able to read the definition? Are you also outside from home? No. Any problem in the connectivity? Yes, Om Dalvi, you read.
The chemical reaction in which a reactant combines with oxygen or loses hydrogen to form the product.
What will our answer must be now? Oxidation, no? Not reduction. If the reaction in which the hydrogen has been lost and oxygen has been gained, it is oxidation. And if oxidation lost and hydrogen gains, that of reaction is we are calling as reduction. Okay. Now simple now. All chemical reaction obeys the law of conservation of mass. Hence, chemical equation should be dash. All chemical reaction obey the law of conservation of mass. Hence, the chemical equation should be dash. Yes. Balance or unbalance?
Balance.
Equation must be always balance one. Okay. Now see, the redox reaction takes place during dash respiration. Redox reaction takes place during dash respiration. Come on. Cellular respiration. Note down your answer. Cellular respiration. Come on, second now. Simple questions now. Satelkar, what you want to say for everybody? Any good news? Yes, come on screen. Your video is off. What you want to say? Talk everybody. Talk to everybody. Let it be. I also want to enjoy with you. Yes, Satelkar. काय सांगायचंय बोल. What you want to say? Nothing. Now turn toward another type of question. Simple see. One more equation. Put off your voice if you are talking with your parents. Heating of sugar is called dash type of reaction. Heating of sugar is called dash type of reaction. Combustion, displacement, double displacement or decomposition. Come on. Combustion, displacement, double displacement or decomposition. Combustion. See that, all read that. Displacement, double displacement, decomposition. After heating sugar, black substance will remain behind. The reaction is called as decomposition reaction. What is called? Decomposition reaction. Second, see, the antioxidants are used to prevent dash of food containing fats and oil. Antioxidants are used to prevent dash of food containing fats and oil. Yes, tell the answer. Come on. I will give the option C. Reduction, oxidation, decomposition or oxidation and reduction. Oxidation, reduction, decomposition or oxidation and reduction. Yes, Adalgar, give answer. Let's see your idea. Come on. Satelkar, you have your book with you. Give the answer then. Why sitting quietly? Yes, anybody, any other? Antioxidants was used for the prevention of what? Why we are using in oxidant in the food? What we want to prevent? What we want to stop? Rancidity means what? It carrying oxidation or reduction. When they are come contact with the air in the atmosphere, they undergoes oxidation. Answer will be oxidation. You are in this same question. Now see, when sulfuric acid is poured over zinc, which gas will be evolved out? Sulfuric acid when add with the zinc, which gas will evolve out? Sulfur dioxide, hydrogen, oxygen or zinc dioxide? Sulfur dioxide, hydrogen, oxygen or zinc dioxide? Sulfuric acid with zinc. Formula of sulfuric acid H2SO4. Which gas will be evolved out then? Yes. Hydrogen sulfide or hydrogen dioxide. Between these two, your answer will be hydrogen. Very good. Now some definitions. Defined rust. Let's see. Defined rust. Who will define? See the definition in the book and just read it. Defined rust. All the definitions are in your book. Just read it and tell me, take part in the discussion. Open your books, keep in front of you and read the definition of rust. Yes? Satelgur, I read at least one sentence. Sitting in the darkness. We are not observing your face also. Light is not there. Yes, electricity is not there. Why you are in the dark? Come on, read the definition of rust. Anybody? Come on fast. If you don't give the answers, we will require much more time for revision. See, at least read and tell. Om, read the definition. For the
Colored hydrated oxide is formed when from three ferrous ions. It is called as rust.
Rust. What is formula of rust? Same question if you ask. Formula of rust is dash.
Fe2H2O.
Yes. No. Fe2O3 dot H2O. Fe2O3 dot H2O. Okay. One more definition now. Define physical change. Simple one. Define physical change. Let's see. Come on fast. Define physical change. Yes, read home. Rather than you nobody taking part in the discussion. They are simply sitting. Yes, read it. Physical change is what? Simple one. See, the reaction in which physical property changes but chemical properties remains as it is. Chemical properties do not undergo any change. Only there is a change in physical properties. This type of reaction we are calling as physical change. What will be the definition for chemical change now? Make it opposite. What will definition for chemical change? Come on fast. What will be definition of chemical change? Yes? Read it fast. Chemical change. Come on fast. Don't waste time. Yes, read. Om, read it. Make the opposite now.
Changes
Yes, the changes which. Come on, fast.
which the physical properties remain the same but
Chemical properties undergoes the change. Now define redox reaction. Define redox reaction. Come on, fast. Redox reaction.
when oxidation and reduction takes place in the same reaction, that reaction is called as redox reaction.
Oxidation and reduction simultaneously. Oxidation and reduction simultaneously. Rancidity. Rancidity. Come on fast. Are Satelkar at least response anything? Yes? You are on the screen but you are not responding nothing. At least read some lines in the textbook and tell me. Yes? Satelkar, you are hearing my voice? Yes or no? Satelkar, are you hearing my voice? No connectivity? Zero response. You are on the screen but you are not responding anything. Any problem? You can't read the definition from textbook directly. You don't have it. You don't have textbook with you. I think some problem of connectivity. Let it be. Om, tell the rancidity.
Rancidity is a condition in which the substance with oil and fats get oxidized when they are exposed to air.
When they are exposed to air. Okay. Now see, in this topic, at least we turn towards another form of reactions. Some they call just like the see match the columns now. Take column number 1. You can make 2 columns, column number A and B. In column A, take some points. Make 2 columns, column A and B. In column A, take first heating of potassium chloride. Heating of potassium chloride. Heating of potassium chloride. Second, depositing layer of zinc on iron or depositing the layer of zinc on iron. That means formation of layer of zinc on iron. Number 3, souring of milk, souring. Number 4, carbon dioxide. Number 5, iron oxide. And number 6, dissolving common salt in water. Dissolving common salt in water. Take in column B. Number 1, lime water turns milky. Lime water turns milky. Number 2, physical change. Number 2, physical change. Number 3, rust. Number 3, rust. Number 4, MnO4, manganese oxide, MnO4 is used as catalyst. MnO4 is used as catalyst. Next, chemical change. Next, chemical change. And last one, galvanizing. Last one, galvanizing. Now match it and give the answers now. Answer for first, heating of potassium chloride. What will be the answer? Heating of potassium chloride. Match the words in the column B. This reaction requires catalyst. Now match it.
MnO4.
MnO4 or MnO2. MnO2 is used as catalyst. Number 2 now. Formation of layer of zinc on iron. Formation of layer of zinc. It is a type of prevention of oxidation. There are the different steps are there, see. Different process. Electroplating, galvanizing. Yes,
Galvanizing.
answer is galvanizing. Number third, storing of milk. Storing of milk. Which type of change? Physical or chemical?
Chemical.
Very good, chemical. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. CO2 gas if you lime water turns milky. Very good. Lime water turns milky. Next, iron oxide. Iron oxide. Rusting. Yes, very good. Rust. Formation of rust. And last one now. Dissolving common salt in water.
Physical.
Physical change. This type of the question, see, will be there in their exam also. To find out this, turning toward the next now, some common questions in the same topic. Name the following. Name the following. The life on earth is protected from ultraviolet radiations from the sun. Life of earth is protected from ultraviolet radiations of the sun. Name the following. Who will prevent from these ultraviolet rays to fall on the earth's surface?
Ozone layer.
Very good. Ozone layer. Ozone layer. Second, see the process. No. Representation of chemical reaction in a condensed form using chemical formula. Representation of chemical reaction in an condensed form using chemical formula. Chemical equation. Answer will be chemical equation. The fuel formed when organic waste is decomposed by microorganism. Fuel formed when organic waste is decomposed by microorganism. Yes. Decomposition from organic waste. Biogas plant. Name is biogas. Name is biogas. Second, see, a change takes place due to change in parameters such as temperature and pressure. The change that takes place due to the change in properties such as temperature and pressure. Yes. Physical or chemical? Physical change? No. It is physical. It is physical. Now, one more, see, a balanced chemical equation always obeys dash law. Oh, finish.